so I thought I hit record, you guys, and I didn't. Today I'm going to be creating a blue look for you guys. This was inspired from the blue trend that's going around on like all the different celebrities you're seeing, like Kim K and different influencers. I've been seeing it literally all over social media, and I wanted to try it out. Before we get into the tutorial, I wanted to just mention something really quickly. In this video, I will not be using any KKW products. I did kind of get the inspiration from that, but I'm actually going to be using the Lyne Cosmetics palette. It has the same blue color in her palette, and I wanted to use it and also support her brand. This is a black owned business, you guys, and I know that I have stressed before that I wanted to start supporting like my own people and supporting more black owned businesses. So if you are a black owned hair company or beauty brand, please feel free to reach out. It is not pay to play. You don't have to pay me to do this. I honestly am a huge supporter of Lyne Cosmetics, you guys. I did a video with her last year where she has a foundation line as well, and she used her foundation on me. I wanted to continue to support her because she's really just an amazing person, and she really has some amazing products. So I'm going to be using her palette in this video. I will link it down below if you guys would like to purchase it. The colors are absolutely beautiful. Her palette is literally just so pigmented, so amazing, such a good palette, and I really want to support other black owned companies. I feel like the black dollar is so important, and we really spent a lot of money on beauty products, you guys, us as black people. Now this video isn't just for black girls, guys. This video is for everyone. If you guys have any questions about Lyne Cosmetics, please leave them down below. Most likely I will answer most of them in the description box, because everything is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm gonna link her website down below, and I'll also link the other video that she and I did together last year in case you guys just wanna kind of see who she is and see what her products are about. You can definitely check that video out. So if you guys wanna see how I created this blue look, please keep watching. So I'm gonna just start out with my eyes. Basically my face is already done, you guys. I didn't want this tutorial to be as long as my other makeup tutorials, so I'm just doing eyes only today and a little bit of the face. So I'm going in my crease with a matte brown color. This is just from the NYX Contour Kit. I will post it somewhere on the screen so you guys can see. I'm taking a brown color and just putting that in the crease. This is just going to serve as a transition color for the brighter colors. Whenever you're doing brighter colors, I usually do them on the lid. This way I can kind of transition them with a brown, something close to my skin tone, to kind of just let that melt right into the eye and blend out with the other colors. You're always going to need a transition color of some sort whenever you're doing any bright colors. Just an FYI, I had to learn that the hard way. You know, when you're a beginner in eyeshadow, I used to just put the color on my eye, but no, you definitely need some sort of transition color. As you guys see now, I'm applying that blue color to my lid. It's not as pigmented and dark as I thought it was going to be. It's coming off a little light, like a light blue on camera, as to where I thought it'd be a much brighter blue. In the future, I could change that just by adding a little bit of liquid to it, maybe some Fix Plus or something, just to make it a lot more pigmented than what it looks like on camera. But I'm just adding that same blue color underneath the eye. Like, this is such a simple tutorial. I'm gonna put the blue underneath my eye. I'm just highlighting my brow right now, and I'm using concealer to do that because at some point I'm gonna go in and I'm going to take the highlighter, which I'm using a Fenty Beauty highlighter at some point. Right now I'm lining my eyes with my Milani Liquid liner. I love this. It's a really affordable drugstore liner, and it's dependable. It works well, and I've had it for years. So, well, not this one, but I've been using Milani liquid eyeliners for years. You should definitely replace your eyeliner often, guys. Do not use the same eyeliner for years. So here I'm just adding a little bit of mascara to my lashes. I wanted to blend my lashes in with my false lashes, obviously. And then here I'm just contouring from my NYX Contour Kit, like I said earlier, and dancing to some Justin Timberlake also. So yeah, we're just gonna contour with my NYX Contour Kit. I'm using the darkest brown, and I'm just applying that, you know, to the areas where I contour. Nothing too crazy going on here. And that's about it. As far as the face goes, applying a little bit of highlighter. I'm using the Trophy Wipe. I've become obsessed with this. You guys are probably going to see this color a lot in my tutorials because I don't know how I passed this up the first time around, but I'm so glad I bought it because I'm obsessed. So I lined my lips with Coco Loco. As you guys know, I always use that as a lip liner. It's like my go-to color. And then on my lips, I'm actually wearing Chi by Colour Pop Cosmetics. I think it's part of the Kaerruche line. It's just a really pretty nude, and I thought that a nude lip would look great with this blue eyeshadow. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let's get to that 100,000 subscribers. And I will talk to you guys in my next tutorial. Love you. Bye.